Hi everyone, welcome to this series of inventories and inventory settings. Today we are looking at commodities, commodity group, and subgroup. Under inventory, we'll go into settings. From settings, we will look at commodities, commodity groups, and subgroups. So from commodities are This defines the overall type of categories of goods we trade in. For example, it could be electronic, it could be furniture, it could be perishable goods, or anything that we do or want to do. So for instance, we have categories that electronics, office furniture, we have perishable, and then we have service. We can add another commodity type and call it, say, 005 and add it as clothing. Becomes a commodity group, say number 5 in our order, and this order is how they will appear when you're dealing. And with that, you're able to save, and that means you've created the category commodity type. To delete, to edit, it's simple. You just come back again to the good type sizes and you click on edit, and you're able to edit that category. You're able to edit the category, or you're able to delete or save or on that service or on the order, whether we want to display it or not. If you want it to appear or not, we can click on that and save, and it will be an order that does not appear. So once you save, that is saved and it will not be appearing on our order. Once you've done the commodities, then we have a commodity group, and a commodity group, we are looking at sub-classifications of each commodity. So let's say in the electronics, we are looking at laptops, we're looking at cameras, we're looking at printers. Then to just add another commodity type, we can have a commodity code and say 004. It's easy to add. The commodity group name, we can say any group name that we want to add. Like for instance, we can say we want to add monitors. Order will be say 04 or 4, and then we can put any notes we want, or if you do not have any notes, then we just click save on that, and that's how we add commodity groups. From commodity groups, we move to subgroups, and in subgroups is a detailed breakdown. This is where we do a detailed breakdown of the items. So we can click and say add a subgroup. From here, we say add subgroup. So let's say subgroup 1 is code 1. Subgroup name, we filled all earlier. We had an earlier subgroup name. We will call, say we have laptops. Group name, say electronics. Printers or cameras, we have, we'll do details. So here we have cameras, we have printers, we have laptops. So here would have your laptop, and the group name would be a detailed name. So we'll say we have gaming laptops, and in our gaming laptops we have laptops, and then that will be order number 1. We can put any notes there we want. We can have other item, so say this, and then we have cameras. We have cameras here as the core group, or we can say under these cameras we have electronic items or cameras, or and then we can pick cameras as items, and then we have number 2 here, and then we can save that once we have put in the notes as per the organization. That's how we add commodity groups and subgroups on the inventory mode. See you in the next video, where we'll be looking at unit, color, model, size, and styles. Thank you for watching.